The LOVEVOOK 50-liter carry-on backpack is designed with ample space, featuring 4 compartments that can accommodate 8 to 10 outfits, shoes, books, and more, while providing a padded slot for an 18-inch laptop and a 12.9-inch iPad. This backpack is travel-friendly and meets the requirements of most airlines, as its dimensions allow it to fit comfortably in overhead bins, making it an excellent choice for frequent flyers. Included with the backpack are 2 packing cubes, a shoe pocket, and a wet-dry separator, ensuring your belongings stay organized and your shoes and toiletries are neatly separated. Constructed with durable YKK zippers and reinforced stitching, this backpack is built to withstand the rigors of travel, while the high-density breathable mesh shoulder straps reduce shoulder strain. The versatile design of the LOVEVOOK backpack includes top and side handles for easy lifting, and it can function as a backpack, duffel, shoulder bag, or travel bag with a side pocket for water bottles and a luggage strap for added convenience. This backpack makes a perfect gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions, offering both comfort and style to the women in your life.